Waste pickers play a very important role in solid waste management in cities. They are not only significantly reducing municipal solid waste management costs, they are also mitigating climate change by ensuring that recyclables are diverted from the landfills and go for recycling. And they are typically doing all of this at very low cost because there is really literally no state support available for it. So all of it is entirely based on their resilience on the informal sector, on informal markets, and that is what has sustained the economy. So we work in Pune as well as Pimpri Chinchwad, and in Pune we have been running a waste collection module, kind of model, which is a different kind of private-public partnership with the municipality, where a cooperative of waste pickers, Swachh, is essentially offering a doorstep collection service to around 400,000 households in the city. This model was supported for 5 years by the municipality, and it has actually been working for the past 2 years without any funding from the municipality or any external source. So the waste pickers have essentially kept the model alive by contributing part of their income to running the organization, and the citizens contribute to the costs of waste pickers by paying them a service fee. So we consider not only the institutionalization of the Pune model a success, which we do think it was, because not many municipalities are willing to get into these kind of long-term large contracts with waste picker cooperatives, because they tend to think that waste picker cooperatives may not be quite as professional and management oriented as they think private sector is. And not only do we think that PMC stepped out of that and actually got into a contract, and that's what managed to do the work effectively. But we think the real victory has been being able to sustain the model for 2 years without any support from the municipality, to the point where the municipality has now come back to us and asked us if we will re-sign a renewal docket with them for 5 years. And fortunately, this docket is based on the learnings that we've had over the past 5 and to 7 years. Hopefully a little more worker oriented, and is likely to offer better returns to the waste pickers. So we do think that has been one of the bigger successes. If waste pickers are part of the solid waste management framework of a city, it means that typically a city has a model where citizens are familiar with who is coming to their doorstep daily to collect waste. It's the same waste picker who's ideally from the neighborhood, who lives somewhere nearby, who comes around house to house and collects segregated waste, perhaps takes away the recyclables for recycling, and composts the organic waste within the premises of the society. This effectively reduces the load on the municipality of transporting large quantities of waste to the landfill. It also means that the entire cost, fuel and the logistics of that kind of transport is saved. Environmentally, that makes for much heavier cities. In terms of accountability and community participation, it ensures that citizens are much more in control of the kind of service they're receiving, and it's not going to some anonymous contractor who they are not in touch with. The waste picker is interacting with citizens whom she's servicing on a regular basis and is able to share with them the kinds of difficulties she faces. She, in a sense, is owning the model, is in complete control of the service that she's offering, and is able to negotiate terms for herself. So it creates the space officially within the city to recognize and respect the work that a waste picker brings to the table.